Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to attempt to do the 3-minute makeup challenge. I know this is quite an oldie sort of video, but I've really fancied doing it and setting a bit of a challenge for myself. I'm so excited to try this and just see how well I do. This will be really fun and hopefully not too disastrous. I'm going to set my 3-minute timer and let's see how we do. Okay, 3 minutes has started, so I'm going to use the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula first, just to get some bit of moisturiser on my face, which is always really handy in situations when you're literally just running out the door. And yeah, it's a good thing, a bit of moisturiser in your life, to be honest. So I'm just grabbing the mirror because it's always a good thing to have a mirror when doing your makeup. I can't imagine not having a mirror. Like, it'd just be life or death, wouldn't it? Okay, so I'm just rubbing a fair bit of moisturiser into my... And I've literally wasted quite a bit of time, so I'm just going to go into Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in the shade Cool Medium. Put that underneath my eyes. Any dark circles. I am being too slow with this. I really need to hurry up. I'm just going to rub this in, use my finger. I'm nervous, man. This isn't good. My eye is literally stinging like a bitch. This is not cool. Right, so I'm just going to use the what is this? It is the Maybelline. No, it's the Rimmel Lasting Perfection. I don't know, Stay Matte. No, Stay Matte Pressed Powder. That's what it is. Oh, my eyes are burning. I don't know what I've done. Like, my eyes are really hurting recently. And yeah, probably that sort of time isn't the best time to do this challenge. But yeah, but anyway. Right, I'm going to go in with some blush because a girl needs some blush. So I'm just going to dot that on my cheeks really quickly. Cool. And then I'm just going to go in with some concealer, bloody bronzer. And I'm just going to put that there. Hopefully this will look relatively okay on me. Just going to put some bronzer. I've got 40 seconds. Bloody hell, man. Right. I'm just going to go in with some mascara because that is like the most important thing ever. I'm not going to have time to do eyeshadow right now. I don't have long. Oh my god, this looks really awful, man. Got 15 seconds. I need to put on some sort of lippy. Lippy. 8, no, 7. Oh, oh, that's how far I got, everyone. That's how far I got. Yeah. That 3 minutes, man, was the quickest of my life. This is my finished makeup look. Don't I look absolutely delightful? I didn't even do highlighter, and that's my favourite part. I didn't even get to doing eyes or eyeshadow or anything, and I literally just did my lips, but I didn't even properly do them. It's so weird, like, in real life, this would have been, like, mental. Like, 3 minutes would have gone so slow, yet when you actually been timed to do something, it goes so quickly. I literally failed at that challenge so badly, so I'm sorry everyone that watched this. This was an ultimate fail. But I tried my best. I feel like I didn't rush it too much. I wanted to do like a fairly good job, but yeah, my lips still look like this, so I'm obviously not winning. I'm definitely not impressed by how my makeup look turned out. I don't think it's the best makeup look that I've ever created. It's a really fun challenge to do. I really enjoyed it so much. If you like this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up because that would really help me out. Maybe leave me a comment if you've tried this and if you're a fellow YouTuber. I'd love to say hi to all of you. And if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel because I make a new video which is posted every week on Saturdays at 9 AM. So be there or be square. Thank you very, very much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you next week, guys. Bye bye.